Hey everybody, so I am standing in my kitchen right now, kind of looking out the back windows here, and I'm starting a new YouTube channel, and I thought today would be the day that I would record my first video. And look at the weather. I don't know if you can tell through the windows. Let's see. It is raining like mad. I don't know if you can hear it or see it. Lighting is kind of bad. It's kind of noisy. Makes it a little hard to video. Let's see. Let me walk to my front door and we'll look out that way. There's my kitty. Say hi, Simon. Say hi, Simon. That's Simon. He's a Siamese. He's very cute. Alright, get a view of my messy kitchen. Let's go ahead and walk and look out the front door. Let's see. Get a little better view out here. I don't know if you can see that. You can probably definitely hear it. It is raining like crazy. Let's see. Let's go around my porch here and see what it looks like out back. Raining pretty hard. Alright. Oh, my neighbor's house has a waterfall going on over here off the roof. Don't know if you can see that. It's a pretty day though. Alright, talk to you guys later.